Replace those finicky eccentric alignment bolts on your S550 Mustang with alignment shims from Mustang Geek. The Mustang Geek S550 Alignment Shim Kit for 2015 to 2023 Mustangs removes the guesswork out of repeatable, quick alignment adjustments by ditching the sloppy, eccentric bolt with precision cut shims. Professional race teams use shims to make alignment adjustments, and now you can too. Here's how to install them. First, remove the factory eccentric alignment bolt. Then install the supplied 14mm bolt and loosely install the nut. The shims are reversible. The notches at the top tell you how far the slot is offset. The shim with no notches has the slot in the middle. 2 shims of each size are included. You need to use the same shim under the head and under the nut. Install the desired shims and torque the nut to 90 pound-feet.